Here's why you can't make progress. Here's why you get stuck. Here's why it's so hard to gain momentum. There's a simple reason for it. I get questions every day. People saying, it's very hard to do X. I can't seem to get Y to work. I've been working really hard at Z and it just doesn't seem to click for me. I can't do it. Simple reason why? You vastly underestimate how hard it is to get momentum going. Now, once you get that flywheel going, once you get the snowball rolling down the hill, things get much easier, trust me. But getting momentum going, changing the flow of your life, starting a new venture, it takes a massive amount of energy. Because if it was easy, everyone would be able to do it. It's not easy. It's not supposed to be easy. You're trying to do something epic, something awesome. You're trying to change your life for the better. Of course it's going to be hard. No one said it was going to be easy. People tend to underestimate how hard you have to squeeze the balls of the universe just to get it to give you whatever you want. I get people asking me, I'm sending out a lot of emails and I can't get clients. And then you ask like how many? And they say 30. I can do 30 emails in an hour probably. Easy in an afternoon. And you're asking me like, why doesn't the universe reward me because you put in an hour or a couple hours of work? That's nothing. You can't get anything going doing that. I've been learning this new skill and it just doesn't seem to click for me. You ask like how many hours did you invest into this? Like how long have you been doing this? Yeah, I've been looking into it for a week and 2 hours a day. Well, of course nothing's gonna change. Like you hardly made an effort. That's not the way life works. I usually give the example of the child, of the 10-month-old baby that's standing up for the first time, getting up, looking around, and then crashing down because his balance isn't there yet. He still needs to learn how to walk. There is no child on the face of this earth that suddenly decided, you know what I'll do? This whole walking stuff, it's really super hard. I'm going to crawl around everywhere. Imagine how that would be. Yeah, this whole walking thing, it's not worth it, man. I'm just crawling everywhere. And then you have the 7-year-old crawling towards school. There's a reason why that doesn't happen. It's because it's unacceptable. Of course you're not gonna. Of course learning to walk is hard. Took you a good amount of time, trust me. I've seen this firsthand. Takes a good amount of time and they crash into the ground a lot. And they hurt themselves a lot. There's a lot of frustrated crying. It's the same way with any skill. Takes a while. Takes massive effort. You're going to fail a lot of times. But in the end, it's worth it. And if you decide that you're not going to give up until, there's nothing that is able to stop you. You learn to walk. That's a monumental achievement. And you learn to walk before you could say a decent sentence probably. Like you're a little more than a baby and you did this. And now you're an adult and you're willing to give up because you bumped your head. Or you're willing to give up because you got up and then you fell down? That's weak. No self-respecting baby would do that, let alone a self-respecting adult. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. And I urge you to be among the tough. Grab the universe and squeeze until it gives you what you want. You have it in you because you can walk, I know. So do it.